Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open the hood of a Jaguar XE. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin. It's typically found on the driver's side, near the footwell, often marked with a car icon and an open hood. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. This action partially releases the hood, preparing it for the next step. Now move to the front of your Jaguar XE. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully lift the hood a few inches with one hand. With your other hand, reach underneath the front edge of the hood, directly above the grille. You are looking for a small lever or catch that acts as a secondary safety release. Once you locate the secondary safety latch, you'll need to manipulate it. Depending on your specific model, you might push it to the side, usually towards the center of the vehicle, or lift it upwards. This action will fully disengage the safety catch, allowing the hood to be lifted completely. Be gentle but firm as you perform this step. With the hood fully open, locate the prop rod, usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Extend the prop rod and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood to keep it securely open. When you're finished, remove the prop rod, lower the hood gently, and press down firmly on the front edge until you hear two distinct clicks, ensuring it's fully latched. Also, remember to check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.